Hello, my name's Rusty Payne. Welcome to Payne's Points, where the latest in hardware technology is available to accent your cabinets, furniture, and millwork. In today's edition, we will be reviewing the versatile P-System fittings from Lamello, Switzerland. Lamello was founded in 1944, and in 1955 they developed wood biscuit joinery. Between the years of 2010 and 2015, they developed a new system of joining based on the P systems in an innovative slot, which we'll talk about later. Before we jump into the P system, I've asked our supply partner from Colonial Saw, Dan Dempsey, to give us a quick review on the Zeta P2 cutter, which machines for the P system fittings.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Dan Dempsey with Colonial Saw. I am the Lamello Territory Manager for most of the Midwest. Rusty asked me to show you guys the Lamello Zeta P2 real quick. I believe he's going to be going over some of the different connectors that we sell for you guys, but I wanted to show you the machine itself. So this is the Lamello Zeta P2. For those of you that aren't familiar with the Lamello P system, you'll see that this looks and it operates just like a typical biscuit joiner does right here. Two key differences. First one, of course, is going to be the blade itself. So we have a 7mm blade on this machine as opposed to a 4mm blade, which is on the regular biscuit joiners. Also right up here, this is what we call the vertical mechanical drive. If you can see up close here, see this little push button in this red tab. This red tab is going to be my depth gauge, and this is going to activate the P system slot. So as I plunge in, that red tab is going to hit the side button right there, and it's going to cause the blade to jump up and down on the Z axis to make the profiled slot for the P system connectors. Rusty's going to fill you in on the different connectors there, and thanks for everyone for tuning in, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
There are also CNC options for shops who have CNC machines with 3, 4, or 5 axes. So now that we have reviewed the Zeta P2 cutter, let's take a look at the P system connectors. The Tenso P14 is for glue-assisted joints. It simultaneously aligns and clamps. It's made of strong reinforced fiberglass and plastic. It features a tensile strength of 600 pounds. It's a completely concealed connector that is suitable for both butt joints and miter joints. The preload clips are available for easy connection and lateral adjustment during installation of long runs. So what are the benefits of the Tenso P14? Improved aesthetics with the reduction of glue joints, elimination of bar clamps during the gluing process, reduction of both production and assembly time, and it's versatile for multiple angle application. So now let's look at the Clamex P14. The Clamex P14 is a detachable concealed connector fitting. It features fiberglass reinforced plastic construction and a clamping force of 200 pounds. It's for use in both butt joints and miter joints from -22 to 180 degrees. It allows for a tolerance of plus or minus 1 millimeter and is available in both hand tool and CNC versions. So what are the benefits of the Clamex P14? It's excellent for on-site job assembly application. It reduces production and assembly time. It's versatile for multiple angle application, and it allows for freedom of choice in assembly as it can be used in both glued applications and a detachable ready-assemble application. Next, we'll look at the Divario P18. The Divario P18 is a self-clamping invisible fitting for slide applications. It's a completely concealed connector which features strong reinforced fiberglass and plastic construction, a high tensile strength of 600 pounds, It also features a lateral tolerance of plus or minus 1 millimeter and is for use in butt joints and shelf applications. The benefits of the Divario P18 are the reduction of both production and installation time, improved aesthetics with an invisible joint, reduction of both production and assembly time. It also allows for stackable panels with the connectors installed, thus reducing handling and shipping costs. And the Divario is mainly used for cubby and shelving applications. Thank you for taking the time to join us today for the latest edition of Payne's Points and our review of the Lamello P System connectors and the Zeta P2 cutter. Please reach out to your Aetna sales professional if you require additional information on these products and to discuss your hardware needs on any of your upcoming projects.